Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best power strips with surge protection. Top 5 available on Amazon. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a new video. Number 1. SUPERDANNY 22 outlets and 6 USB power strip. Introducing the SUPERDANNY Surge Protector Power Strip with 22 AC outlets and 6 USB ports. FCC, RoHS, and UL certified for safety. Smart USB fast charging technology with 5 USB-A and 1 USB-C ports. Widely spaced outlets prevent blockage. Mountable design with a flat plug for convenience. 6.5 feet heavy-duty cord. 1,000-day warranty with 8-fold safety protection. Organize and power up your devices effortlessly with this versatile and reliable power strip. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. TESSAN Flat Plug Power Strip. Introducing the TESSAN Flat Plug Surge Protector Power Strip with 4 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, including 1 USB-C, and surge protection. This 7-in-1 desktop charging station allows you to power up to 7 devices simultaneously without blocking other outlets. Its slim design fits snugly behind furniture, and the 45 degrees right angle plug creates extra space. Mountable with 2 holes for secure installation. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. 1-Beat Flat Plug Power Strip. Introducing the 1-Beat Flat Plug Power Strip, a compact and versatile solution for your charging needs. This power strip features a 5 feet ultra-flat extension cord with 3 outlets for USB ports, including 2 USB-C, and fast charging abilities. Ideal for dorm rooms, offices, and travel, it is cruise ship friendly with no surge protection. Certified by ETL and FCC, it offers multiple safety protections. Stay charged and organized with this reliable desktop charging station. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Mifaso Wall Outlet Extender. Presenting the Mifaso 9-in-1 Wall Outlet Extender, a premium solution featuring 5 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, and 1 USB-C port. This versatile power strip includes a detachable shelf, soft smart night light, and an 1800 joule surge protector for reliable device protection. The 3-sided design ensures easy accommodation of large plugs without obstructing other outlets. FCC and ETL certified, this extender from Mifaso enhances safety and organization in any setting. Enjoy a 12-month warranty and the quality assurance of Mifaso technology. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. HANYCONY 9-in-1 Power Strip. Introducing the HANYCONY Flat Plug Power Strip, a versatile 9-in-1 design with 6 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including 2 USB-C, for charging multiple devices simultaneously. Its ultra-thin build and 5-foot extension cord saves space, ideal for dorm rooms and travel. With fast-charging USB-C ports and robust safety features, including FCC, RoHS, and ETL certifications, this power strip is a reliable choice backed by a 12-month warranty. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.